When you finish a production as a director and you are at the first night, you feel tremendously empty. Today I feel joy and emptiness for the change. Not only emptiness, I'm very proud of our production. I'm so happy that we have such a good cast. And I really hope that a lot of people have the possibility to see it, because I think it's a lovely story, moving, funny, and in our production also deep.